Welcome back. Class number 8 of our course, SFT-BMD. As usual, I will tell complete coverage. Why it is complete coverage, you can make out by this time. See, now, last class, I told moment calculation when a force system is given where I considered just one line. That is, it can be a member or a beam. And if you remember, at that time, I told in between, I am not going to calculate. I will directly give the answer. That is, some tricks are there. And here, this time, we got a force system, see, 2D force system. Last time, only vertical forces given. Now, horizontal force and vertical force both, along with some couples also given. Now, this couple, I will be explaining little later when I go to different types of loads. Today, what I tell, you have to accept it. For this force system, see, question I will tell you, for given force system, find algebraic sum of moments about, I have not given it here, A, B, C, D, then one extra point here, E, not extra point, force acting here, and also about P1 and P2, two outside points. See, I took the P1 point here, where from here down 70, from here left 175. P2 I have taken here, from here right side 105, and from top down 50. Now, I will tell you why this is very important. In case of beams for SFT-BMD, see, I will write somewhere here. Any loading given, see, I will put or varying load, etc., no problem. This is covered last time, but some will tell, last time only point load, now you have got UDL, UVL, no problem. See, whether it is a point load or UDL or UVL, when you find moment, I will always insist, you should always write moment like this. Force, see, the hand should move like this, force into distance. See, here also later, if I want moment about this point, I will tell in the class, UDL is like this. No, then, even then, see, I will tell force into distance. Means, for this UDL, you will once again find the force. See, once again, force into distance. Here, force into distance. And now, how to get this force and how to get this force and how to locate various line of action will come in the immediate next class. That is different types of loads I told. So, even if UDL or UVL are given, finally when you find moment, it is always what? Force into perpendicular distance from the point about which you want moment. So therefore, this example is meant for frames. See, I'll write somewhere here. Sometime you get the frames. Randomly write some frames here. See. Like this, for example. Suppose I want moment about this point. See, then, see, load into distance, perpendicular. Now onwards, distance means, I won't repeat every time. Distance means perpendicular distance from the point about which you want moment to line of action of the force. Force or load. See, load into this distance. Then, this UDL. Somewhere you will mark the force later. Force into distance. How to get it and how to get distance, it will be covered next class. Then, see. If I stand here, force into distance. So finally, it will be converted to this system only. Here, directly point loads. Therefore, easy now. For getting thorough practice, this is very important. So first practice. As I told, repeatedly practice. Today, one small problem. Just now I finished 4 hours marathon class, that is in RCC. So you can see my voice slightly down. I first thought, today not possible, let me prepare the class tomorrow. Then I decided, no, then it will be delayed. I already told I am uploading the classes in the regularly, systematically. So I decided, no problem. Let me do it today only. Little voice problem. Helpless. See, now, this is a question now. See, now, in the question, I have given forces here. I have given two couples. I will explain the couple little later or when the time comes. Right now, see, one couple given this way, 145 Newton meter. One couple given here, 250 Newton meter. Now, where is that couple I have not given? No, it is not required. Why? You will be knowing it later. The location of the couple for this example is not required, but it is required if it is a bending moment calculation. Because for bending moment diagram, you should know where is that couple, effect is there. But here you want only find moment. So it hardly matters whether the couple is here or somewhere here or somewhere here, anywhere. One of them I took clockwise, other I took anti-clockwise. Now, what I will do today is, see, lengthy calculations are there. So if I explain everything, come and write, it will take more time. So in stages, I will write one by one point here, some of the points I will give exercise for you with the answer. I will write somewhere here. See, moment about A. I will write here completely, then I will start explaining. But when I explain, don't see there. Later when you practice, as I explain and see here and write and practice. Very thoroughly practice. Again, see, I observed the number of views and watch hours. So I can make out easily that there are so many people who are not serious. Nobody can repair them. I already told you, if you are serious or half-hearted, I can bring you to the serious level or dedicated level. Those who are not interested, it is their problem. There are people who still think this video may be like entertainment. Absolutely no, this is not entertainment. No. 1-8. See, I already prepared a sketch here. And one more thing I'll tell you. Last time I told trick. So I decided, let me tell you the trick. But remember, that trick you should not use in the beginning, only after you get full control. And remember, trick means not magic. Every trick which I know or I use is based on basic principles. It is based on basic principle, but I understand very easily and I don't have to think, so I get the trick. So today's class, I will tell you how I directly give the answer. Otherwise it is possible. Somebody may think, maybe he already calculated, somewhere there he wrote the answer, and in front of us he is acting as if he is calculating and giving the answer. I will never do that one. I don't require to do it. It is called show off. I never go for show off where the talent is not there. In my live classes, I can't do that one because my people are watching there. Therefore, when I give an answer and if I tell I am not calculating, I directly give using some principle. There is a principle. So today I decided to tell you. I will convince you briefly. But remember, that trick is only for those who get thorough grip. Others, you should follow systematic way. In the beginning, systematic way. Trick call later, not right now. Start now. See, I put the sketch here. A, B, C, D, E. Point P1, P2 I will mark. After I remove this one, see distances. This is 400 millimeter. This is 220. I have to shift this little that side. I will shift later. 220. A point is there here. See, 175 from here and 95 down. P1, P2 I will mark here because after I remove that space. See, first remember, I will mark P1 somewhere here. Then somewhere outside I will mark 70 down and 145 left. P2 I will mark somewhere here. How? 105 this side and 50 down. Now, before going further, one small important. When you find moment, what you will do is, we will consider unit. Moment is force multiplied by perpendicular distance. Okay. So it is force if I take in Newton and distance if I take in millimeter, moment will be Newton millimeter. So Now you should be careful. See, all forces are given in newtons. Okay, done. So I will write here now. Our units will be, the units in which we are solving will be Newton and millimeter. So that every moment will come in Newton millimeter. But see there, there's a force, a couple given of 145 Newton meter. You cannot take as it is. You can't add 10 meter plus, for example, 30 centimeter equal to 40. No, you have to convert either 10 meter to centimeter and add, or convert centimeter to meter and add. So what I will do now? 145 Newton meter. I will write here. See, 145 Newton meter equal to 145 Newton. I will maintain as it is. Meter, I will change it to millimeter. So into 1000. Therefore, it will become 145,000 Newton millimeter. I entered correct unit here. Now here, same way, 250 Newton meter will be 250 followed by 3 zeros Newton millimeter. So this is very important. Otherwise, it becomes complete wrong. I told just adding some, say 4 meter plus 8 centimeter is, you are telling 4 plus 8 is 12. You can't tell that way. Now, what I will do is, everything is ready. The trick I will tell you a little later. And what I will do now is, which usually I never do, but time counts. I will write somewhere here, algebraic sum of moment about A, and maybe somewhere here I will write about one more point. After explaining, I will remove, and maybe I will explain one more, 2 more points. Then I will tell answer for remaining. That is exercise for you. You have to thoroughly practice and get the answer. Okay, just wait for a little time. Okay, we will start now. We start first. Algebraic sum of moments for given force, actually force couple system about point A. Usually we call force system, but some couples are there, so you can call easily force couple system. Okay, about A. As usual, I will take clockwise positive equal to. Say, before starting calculation, last time for you. If we want moment about this point, see, distance should be from this point. With distance, from this point, perpendicular distance to line of action of the force. So, if the force is this way, this distance, see, vertical force into horizontal distance, horizontal force into vertical distance. So be careful, and see, if the force is like this, clockwise, if the force is like this, anti-clockwise, here, force like this, clockwise, see, holding at this point, force like this, anti-clockwise, already very thoroughly explained. So further, it is your effort which is required to understand. Start. I will do one thing now. I won't see here now. I will just explain here only. You see later, that one. See, I may cover some calculations. No, leave it. Once everything is over, when I move out of both of this one, you pause and write the calculations. See, moment about A. My finger should be at A at any cost. Now what I will do is, some order I will maintain. See, I will start from A. Every point I will start from here. First horizontal, next vertical, next here. First horizontal, next vertical. I will maintain the same trend. Horizontal, then vertical. Lastly, horizontal, vertical. Oh, not over. See again. Horizontal, vertical. Lastly, these two couples. Start. Don't see there. See what I am explaining now. 300 into 220 anti-clockwise minus 100. If you extend, it passes through point A. See, 100 into 0. 160. See, my finger is here. 160 into 220 clockwise. See now, 450 into 400 again clockwise. 90 into 0. Why? If you extend this 90 Newton force, see it will pass here. Then 250 into 400 anti-clockwise. Wherever I am telling clockwise, plus sign will be there. Wherever I tell anti-clockwise here, minus will be there. Then 140, see, moment about this point. 140 into from this point to this force line of action, perpendicular distance will be from here to here will be 220 minus 95 anti-clockwise. Then 170 into from here, see, this distance 400 minus 175 clockwise. Next, remember 145,000, this is a couple. So there is no multiplication. For every force into perpendicular distance. But for a couple, directly, no distance, nothing. See, you will be knowing little later, I will tell it in the class. For a couple, moment about any point is constant, equal to the moment of the couple itself. So directly, wherever the couple is given, clockwise, plus 145,000 minus 250,000. See, I written here, you can see here that multiplying by distance is not there. It will come minus 35050. That means moment about A is 35050 Newton millimeter anti-clockwise. This I explained last time only. Okay, see, this I calculated. That's all. Now onwards, for every point, I am not going to calculate. I will explain here. I told some trick is there. So I will let you know in the end that trick. So no, but you see, I made a note here. On 360 down, 240 left. This I need it. That's all. Actually, what I want is complete force system. What is the resultant or net horizontal force? I got left side 240. Net vertical force 360. Now, this force and this force together with the answer at any point can be used to get the answer or to get the moment about any point. I will tell the trick after everything is over. Start. Now, next, I will come to point C. See, now I will do one thing. I will not explain with that much detail. So, see, little effort you have to put. See, here, start. 130 into 220, anti-clockwise. 110 into 400, clockwise. 300 will pass here into 0. 100 into 400, anti-clockwise. 160 into 0, 450 into 0. 90 into 220, clockwise, moment about this point. 250 into 0. Why? If you extend this 250, it will pass to this point. Then 140, this way, see, 140 into 95, clockwise, plus 170 into 175, anti-clockwise. You will get, I wrote the answer there, 126250. That is, answer is 126250 anti-clockwise. Okay, now I will do one thing. Other point, one of them is D, other is B. Okay, anyone? I will tell next about B. I will not write on the board. Listen correctly what I am telling. Late about which point? About B and D, I will not write on the board. But about E and also one of either P1 or P2, I will write here. Other you have to calculate, but answer will be given. See, now about any point, say B. I will tell, I won't write here. Listen correctly what I am telling. You take a paper and write it. If you don't get the answer, then go back to the class once again, come back to the class once again, slowly listen what I am telling, correct it. 130 into 0. 110 into 400. This number is a trick number. Don't worry about it. 110 into 400 clockwise. 300 into 220 anti-clockwise. 100 into 400 anti-clockwise. 160 into 220 clockwise. 450 into 0. Then 140 into this height. How much? From 220 subtract 95 anti-clockwise. 170 into from here to this line. 175 anti-clockwise. Then plus 145000 no into minus 250000. That's all. I will tell the answer. The answer about B will be, I will do in front of you only. I want the answer what I got about A. About A I got minus 35050, or calculate not on, minus 35050, then into 400. Yes, I got the answer. Minus 179050. Minus 179050 means what? 179050 Newton millimeter anti-clockwise. Over. Now, next. I will tell you afterwards how I got it. See, so much of calculation is there, but I considered only the previous, one of the previous answer, any answer, one of the previous answer, and then some two numbers are here. I used these two numbers and got the answer. If you understand the trick later, it is very useful for you, even in SFD, BMD also, but it will take some time to understand. See, you can see the voice has gone down to further lower level, but I am not stopping, I will continue. So, if it is not audible clearly, use microphone, because I can't raise the voice too much, difficult. And remember, all this effort I am putting, why? To see that everybody gets knowledge. Start. About D. 130 into 220 anti-clockwise. 110 into 0. 100 and 300, both of them into 0. 160 also into 0. 450 into 400 clockwise. 90, see, finger is still here. 90 into 220 anti-clockwise. 250 into 400 anti-clockwise. Oh, sorry, 90 into 220 is clockwise. Okay. 250 into 400 anti-clockwise. Then 140 into 95 clockwise. 170 into 400 minus 175 clockwise. Then plus 145000 minus 250000. That's all. So I will tell here, answer about C will be, C. Okay, D. C is there. D. I told print mistake that can happen in my class. I want just one answer. Any answer for me will do. Okay, I will use the answer A only. Minus 350. See, I will tell you what I am doing. Minus 35050. Then here you are doing just plus 240 into 220. That's all I want. Plus 17750. That's all. Plus 17750 means what? That means 17750 Newton millimeter clockwise over. That is, all the points are over. Or I will do one thing. About E, I will write in the board now. Okay, then I will do one thing. First, I will finish E and also finish the point P1. P2, you try yourself. Then the trick. Okay, wait for a little time. Now we will, which point? E point. See. You see here later. I will stand here and first finish. See, finger should be at E. Now see correctly how I consider direction and also how I consider that perpendicular distance. See, start from here. 130 into this distance, anti-clockwise, that is 220 minus 95. 110 into this distance, that is 400 minus 175, clockwise. 300 into 95, anti-clockwise. 100 into this distance, just now I explained. 160 into 95, clockwise. 450 into 175, again clockwise. 90 into this distance, 220 minus how much? Where is the point? 95. Lastly, 250 into 175. Now I can remove the finger. Plus 145000 minus 250000. You will get the answer. See, by chance during explanation, if there is any mistake is there, mistake means not technical mistake, number reading mistake, you correct it. Answer is correct because I use shortcut. I will tell you once again now what I did. See, I got answer at C. Already got. I can use any answer, previous answer, any one answer. Okay, I will do. You try it later. Whatever answer I got at C with sign, then simply plus 360 into 175 minus 240 into 95. That's all. Start. Now, trick later. Now start. P1. I wrote about P1 here. See. After I finish P1, P2, I directly give the answer here. See, lastly P2, direct answer. You have to try. I will not write on the board. You struggle, write correctly till you get this answer. Otherwise, repeatedly try. Okay, start. Now, which point? P1. See, here. 130 into 70, clockwise. 110 into this distance. From 400, subtract 145, clockwise. 100 into once again same distance. Oh, sorry, one more, before that one horizontal. 300 into from P1 to this one is 70 and then plus another 220, anti-clockwise. 100 into, I already told just now, anti-clockwise. Then 160 into 220 plus 70. See, 160 into 220 plus 70, clockwise. 450 into 145, clockwise. 90 into 70, anti-clockwise. 250 into 145, what? Anti-clockwise. Then, careful, 140 into, be careful now, 140 is acting here. So, from here to here, what you do? See, 220 minus 95 will give you height from here, from this point to this point, this level. See, 220 minus 95 will give you from here to this level, and then plus 70. I wrote it there. Minus 170 into this distance. See, this distance is 175 minus 145. Usual, this couple and this couple, answer is there. Yes, confirm. Now I will tell the trick. What I did is, I want about point P2. I know the answer at C. Then, that's only P1 I want. Okay, sorry, P1. I know the answer about B. Any one you can use. B nearest point, B. Then whatever answer is there, for that answer, it is plus 360 into 145 minus 240 into, where is the force? At this point you want minus 240 into 70. That's all. Now, by chance, if anything is wrong, I told number problem because already feeling too tired and voice has gone down. Sometime it happens, some number, when I look here and there, it gets interchanged. But whatever you do, correct. Because obtained using basic concept. P2, you calculate, get the answer. Now, that's all. I think now already the quota of half an hour over. The trick is pending. I thought I will tell today, but no, I am feeling too difficulty to talk also. So the trick requires little extra voice. Because why? I have to tell some important concept. I have to slightly shout. Shout means not that shouting, raise the voice. So next class, I am starting different types of loads, then how to find moment about any required point for point load, UDL, UVL, all will come in systematic order. Very, very critical exam class. There, in the beginning, I will do one thing. Previous class example and this example, I will tell you what is that trick. It may take some 10-15 minutes for me. So remaining time, I will use to explain those type of loads, and then onwards, it will be seriously moment calculation for different type of loading. That is, you are going near and near and near to SF and VM. Okay, we will meet in the next class. That is class number 9. Thank you.